What's up guys, GamePros here. In today's video, as you can already see, it is going to be a little bit different, and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your paint chips with a paint repair kit. Now this specific one is from Tesla, and what we want to do first of all is when we get the paint repair kit is we want to open the driver's side door and make sure the paint codes match. And once we confirm that the paint codes match, then we can go ahead and get right into fixing all the chips. For example, here's one of the bigger chips that are on my hood that stand out the most. I did end up going over the chip twice. Going over it multiple times, the paint went in there and kept layering so it doesn't look as such a deep chip, and then it blended in more on the hood.
Just gonna do a dab big enough to cover the hole. Just a little bit. And then just smear over. Okay, then once you have it smeared on your locations, you're gonna go ahead and give it about 5 minutes to dry. Alright, after waiting about 5 minutes, you just wanna go ahead and test it, make sure it's dry. And because it's kind of a little hot out here, it is pretty dry, pretty quick. So now we'll take our rubbing solution. As you can see, I already started with this pad. So we're just gonna use another corner. And we're just gonna just keep going in a circular motion, and then all the excess paint will come off besides what you put in the chip. But once you're done with that, you're gonna take the microfiber it came with and just brush the excess solution off. And then the bigger ones, they do recommend, if you don't like that it still sticks out, you can do the whole process over again to the same exact one and then just keep filling it in.
Now when you're done, go ahead and sit back and take a real good look at it. You will notice that the paint chips are still there, but that's just because you know that they're there. I've already tested a few people on this and they can't even see where the chips used to be, and they can only see them once I start pointing them out. Now go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back, as this process does take some time, but once it's done, I promise you'll be really happy with it. I just still can't believe that the biggest chips on there just have completely disappeared. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more of this, or these type of videos, please let me know down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.